Hello guys, this is Mark from ALWAYSSOLD123. Beautiful day to do the walk around for this vehicle with the 2006 Honda Civic with this nice beautiful blue color. Yes guys, you heard me right, it's 2006 4-door automatic transmission, Florida car. Take a look. Nice tires in the back. Guys, look at that beautiful car. Look at that. Look at this. Look at the back seats, headliner. Look at these. 35,000 miles, guys. 2006 with 35,000 miles. You're not gonna believe it. Look at the steering wheel. It's so beautiful. All the windows working. It's beautiful. Take a look. Look at that. It's amazing clean. Even the older Civics, I think, way better than the new ones. I don't know why. VIN number right here. All the door jambs. Look at that. Look at that. Now let's go on the bottom. You'll be amazed. Take a look, guys. Take a look. Gorgeous. No rust. Let's look at here. Look at that. Beautiful. I don't know, I love it like it's a BMW or something. See, of course, super cold. It is a Civic, we all know that. You guys have some scratches and bumpers. This is something that is out of my control. Keep that in mind. This car is 19 years old. Look at that. Gorgeous. Guys, friendly disclosure. This vehicle, just like any other vehicle that we advertise, is sold as this. This Honda Civic is sold as this. Taxes, fees, and registration is not included in price. Please see our description for the fees. Everything is in description. No BS, guys, no BS. Look at these Goodyear tires. Here's the bottom. Gorgeous bottom. Gorgeous car, guys. 30,000 miles. Buy it for your daughter, for your son, anybody's going to college. These most reliable Honda Civics ever. Alright? With 30,000 miles, you probably have way more life to it. As you see them on the street, they will have 200-300,000 miles. Beautiful Honda Civic. Of course, will be priced accordingly due to the miles. This is not $1,000 car, guys. It's a beautiful Honda Civic. Listen, thank you so much for watching this video. I always said, if you're watching this video, I'm doing something right. Say hi to my new palm tree right there, and God bless. Bye bye.